Hey everybody, it's Chris Johnstone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I just got off a call this morning with one of the most successful mortgage brokers in Canada. And we had a conversation that highlighted something that's very valuable for you in your mortgage business. And that is the incredibly boring topic of data management, right? It's like, woohoo, data management. But ultimately, this is arguably the most precious and valuable resource that you have in your mortgage business. So the story essentially goes like this. We're going to be launching our database activator program for him in his company. And we got the data back from his database, and it turns out that a lot of the data was missing. Now, it's been over a long period of time, and 7 to 10 years ago, database management was kind of like laissez-faire. Like, I remember when I used to work in the mortgage business, it was like we had files for every single client that we had, right? But in today's world, that just doesn't cut it. But I understand there's a lot of people in the mortgage industry right now that are still paper-based, that are still following that type of procedure. And so today is just a call to our industry to say, hey, we need to get better at database management, taking that data and putting it into a CRM. And here's the data that you really need to collect from your clients so that you can be a professional with your follow-up and you can build a longer, more sustainable, more profitable mortgage business over a longer period of time. Let's face it, if you've been in the mortgage business for any more than 3 years, you most likely are getting the majority of your business from past client referrals. Well, if you're getting that amount of business from those people and not really doing a good job of follow-up, imagine what could happen if you actually kept in touch on a quarterly basis to your past clients and actually had them remember you, know you, like you, trust you, all of those wonderful things. Then being able to have the data so that you can upload it into Facebook and Instagram and Google and YouTube and retarget your past clients so that you can get referrals inside private Facebook groups and through all the different direct message platforms that people have out there. When people run into people that are buying a house or that could potentially use a refinance, you need to be top of mind, and that's it. You will get more referrals just by keeping in touch, having people know you, like you, trust you, and then reminding people through consistent quality marketing and following them on social media with high quality ads. That will grow your business. So you need the basics, right? You need first name, last name, phone number. You need the cell phone number, and then the regular number. You need that information for both the borrower and the co-borrower because they are technically both your client. You want to keep in touch with both of them, right? Because they both have their own centers of influence. They both have their friends that they hang out with. They both have their, sports that they're part of and stuff like that. They're both individual sources of new business. Like technically, when you close one deal, you've got two people out there that could be referring to you 2, 3, 4, 5 deals down the road. So that's the basic information that you need to keep in your own database so that you have it for your record, along with what deal you did with them, what product you put them in, and the reason why. So that when you reach back out to them, you can actually have an intelligent conversation with them about what product they're in, why they're in that product. Now, you can expand this and really start to take and step into the fact that we are technically helping people with the largest financial transaction that they're going to make in their lives. And an update of at least yearly where you check in on them and actually help them either introduce them to a financial planner or a fiduciary or somebody that can help them make that long-term plan for turning their equity and turning their home into wealth in the future. It shouldn't just be a, hey, I got my loan or I got my mortgage from this person. It should be a lifetime relationship that you build with your clients. And it's time for our industry to take that seriously and to really get out there and make sure that we're doing a good job of following up with our past clients, building that relationship and helping our clients for the lifetime of their home ownership, not just an individual loan. You get to make more money. The client has a better experience. Hopefully we help them build more wealth, and that helps generational wealth in their family. And that's something that's just good for everybody. This is a win-win-win scenario, which is what we all want out of everything in life, isn't it? So make sure that you actually have a CRM that you control the data of, where you're keeping track of all of your past clients in your deals. You want their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, the interest rate, the loan type that you put them in, and notes on why you put them in that product and things that are going on in their life. Now, if you're not doing a good job of following up on your past clients, I can solve that problem with you. Our company, Connection Incorporated, now has full-time concierge agents that will call your past customer database for you once a month, keep in touch, and make sure that they know you, they like you, and they trust you, right? That also goes with our retargeting strategy, where we will take your database, we will upload it to Facebook and Instagram and Google and YouTube, and we will retarget your past clients with ads so that they send you more referrals through social media, but also through the general channels. And this does two amazing things for you. First off, our database activator brings in deals for you right away. There's going to be immediate deals that we get from your database in most cases, but there's definitely referrals in that past customer database. And when we're calling out in the scripts that we use and the way that we approach it, we build a phenomenal relationship with those past clients so that they know you, like you, and trust you, and will refer you business immediately, but also more business over time. That's where the retargeting ads come in. We show them ads. Now, and when I say them, this is just ads to your past customers. Nobody else sees these ads online, just your past customers. So you can spend $5 a day and have an incredibly effective social media marketing campaign. We show them ads of your past customer testimonials, good content from you, and a call to action to actually generate those referrals. Combine those two things together, and you can dramatically increase the number of deals that you get from your past customers. But if we don't have the data, we cannot help you. So it is time now in your business. If you know that, hey, you've been lacking on the database management part of things, one of the most profitable things that you can do in your business is take the time to actually sit down, organize your database, get it onto a computer. We actually had a client that came in when we first started doing the database program back in September of last year. And they actually had a file cabinet in their office that had all of the files from their past clients. And our account manager actually sat with them on a Zoom meeting, and they were at the file cabinet, and they would open up a thing and be like, okay, the client's name was so-and-so and so-and-so. And we actually helped digitize that information. Now, it became such a Herculean task that we helped them find an outsourcer that sat on there and did that work with them. But we got them started, and now that entire file cabinet of information is in a database where now we can use it to start build relationships and start building that mortgage business and getting them more referrals. It's just a phenomenal experience, and I cannot tell you how good you're going to feel on the other side of that hard work of finally having control over that aspect of your business. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope this serves you, and I'll see you in the next one.